Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this green look. If you're into cosplay or you'd like to change up your look, stay tuned and watch how to achieve this look. So we start off by lining your eyebrows, right? Now, when you line, don't draw too harshly. This is just to help you with the eyeshadow that you're going to be using, right? And next, you're going to go in with concealer, a very, very light application of the concealer on the brows. Just fill it up and just fill it up where you are going to put on your eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this flat angled brush and I'm going to be using this green color here. Now make sure you take up a lot of eyeshadow and then you just pack it on. You don't sweep, you just dab onto your eyebrow. Now it's important that you pack it on as much as you can. Like take a lot of eyeshadow and pack it on so that it can get defined and it's pigmented on the eyeshadow. Just sweep it on there on the entire brow. Next, you're going to use a spoolie and just fill the fill your eyebrows out. And now we're going to contour. I'm going to use this concealer brush. I'm flattening out the ends. I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Now you're going to contour your eyebrows. Make sure you start from the middle and go out, and then after sweeping in, then you just go from the beginning of your eyebrow. I'm doing the same on the other eyebrow. As you can see, the eyebrow is forming quite nicely. Make sure that it's nice and clean. I'm just going to use the leftover product of the concealer on the top. Now I'm doing the rest of my face with concealer. Going in with concealer first under my eyes and on my eyelids. And then I'm going in with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going in with foundation over the concealer. I'm using the Avon Color Trend matte foundation. Going in with my beauty blender next. Just blend everything out. Guys, I love this foundation. And there's my face, and I'm going in with my Avon eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna smooth it out on my eyelid. I love how pigmented the green eyebrow came out. I had my doubts, but it came out really nice. Now I'm going in with a tan eyeshadow just to make my eyelids pop a bit and to emphasize the green eyeliner that I'm going to put on just now. Can you see the difference on the one eyelid that does not have the tan shadow on and the one that does have? This is just to define it. Now I'm going in with a slightly darker brown shadow. Next, I'm going to create a line on my lash line. That's where my green eyeshadow is going to go. That's going to create the green eyeline. I'm just drawing it roughly because the green eyeliner is going to cover it. Now I am taking the same green eyeshadow and using the same green I'm using the same flat brush, angled flat brush, to create a cat's eye. Guys, my cat's eye is not the best, but this is how I like it, or this is the best that I can do. And I'm doing it on the other side. Now I'm taking a brown. This brown eyeshadow is not too dark. Oh, I got some on my eye there. I'm just sweeping it under the lashes, on my bottom, on the bottom there. Now I'm taking a brighter green, and then I'm just going to create a tassel. I love how that looks great. Can you see how my eyelids are popping from the brown eyeshadow? Now I'm going to line my lips to prepare for the lipstick that I'm going to be using. Next, I am going in with my mascara. I really like this look without lashes, but I decided to put on lashes. Going in with my contour powder right there under my eyes. I just had to fast forward this video for you guys because it was too long. More more powder on my darker areas, and just to accentuate my big forehead for lighting. Next, I'm going in with the Essence Mattifying Powder in True Mahogany, just to bring out my cheekbones. I love how this came out. Loving this color. Next, I'm going in with blush. I just use a little bit of blush because sometimes I tend to use too much and it just steals the show. Next, I'm going in with highlighter. Now, guys, I'm not a fan of highlighter because highlighter tends to make you look a bit ashy. So I just use a very little bit. Some on my nose. Now, I decided to use brown, but I'm going to change it again because I wanted something to complement the green eyeshadow. I'm going in with a darker brown here just to line my lips, and black liner to make them pop. And this is how it looks with the brown lipstick. It looks proper without lashes, but I decided to add lashes. Here's the final look with the lashes. And I decided to remove the brown lipstick and add a green. Now with this green color, I really thought it matches with the eyebrows, but I think it's leaning towards the blue shadows. So I don't know. You guys tell me which color looks better on me, the brown or the matte green blue color. I think they both look really nice. The green or the brown.